This is the Merrill G41 valve body for the industrial Anyflow hydrants that have those threads on that red spout. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements. We'll get an inner and outer diameter here on this end, as well as a total length, and then inner diameter and outer diameter on that hexed side there as well. Okay, so starting with a total length, the valve body will measure right at about 4 1/4 inches. And then outer diameter here of the hex side will measure just shy of 2 inches. And then an inner diameter at the threads measuring right at 1 1/4 inches. And then measuring this side, we'll start with an outer diameter here, and that will measure right at 2 1/4 inches. And then an inner diameter of just about 1.5 inches. Once again, this is the Merrill G41 valve body.